Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. And we're going to do a complete unboxing of the classic Packard Boat Tail Speedster here. So I'm going to cut this original plastic off this and show you guys what's in the box. I thought you guys might want to watch me cut the plastic off this. So, alright, there. Oh, this kind of reminds me of a song, guys. First cut's deepest. Alright, well, we got that plastic off the box. And let's see what is in the box. One more time. So we got a beautiful body right here in this pinkish orange color. Kind of like the box. We got big round rubber tires so far. Pretty good. Alright, let's look at the... Alright, we'll start with the tires. So we got 4 of these. Okay. Take a look at that other sprue later. But this is the chrome tree right here. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful chrome. Man. This is been in the box since 1979. Since I was a year after I was born. So here's some beautiful white walls. Some glass. Beautiful glass. Good condition. Alright, so we're going to unbag the parts trees here. The first one right here. Top, the interior pieces. The interior cup. I thought that car would be a little bit bigger. It looks kind of small. There's the engine. There's the seats, top, interior. First one. Here's the second one. We got a fenders, engine, exhaust, manifold and radiator and oil pan on there. We got oh, this has a frame you put together. Ooh, fun. So it has the rear end or the differential there, the front front axle, and all the engine pieces plus the spare tires there, and all the other gear for the steering. I know what you guys think are next. We want to know how to build it. Well, I'd like to know how to build it too. Well, since we all agree we want to know how to build it, let's start with the directions. Take a look at those. So we have the story about the car. I missed that. You know what? I kind of missed that them putting those on the with the kits where people talk about how to talk about the cars. This is Ohio native car too. Warren, Ohio. Alright, so what we got first? Alright. We got the engine assembly. More engine assembly in 2. Number 3, we got a engine going into a frame and some support parts of the frame. And we have the tire and wheel assembly. Then we have a front axle going in rear axle going in. Then drive shaft going in. Then we have the rear axle going in, or rear brakes. And I'm not sure what that is. Sure, somebody will tell me. Then we have the exhaust going in. Then we have tie rods going in. And steering linkage. Then the fenders going on. And looks like chrome pieces for the frame. And some supports for the running boards. Then we have some kind of looks like a protective pan for underneath the engine. Interior going together right here. Body and interior going together. Then we have the body on the interior. Alright. And we have the steering going in next. The firewall. Then the rear bumper assembly and taillights. Then we have the hood and its accessories, along with the radiator and its accessories and grill. Then we have the looks like the radiator hose. Then the assembly for the headlights and the spare mounts and the front bumper. Then we have the windshield, the top, or top down. So that is the Monogram Classic Packard Boat Tail Speedster unboxing kit from 1979. The kit is. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching, guys. All right, bye.